Hello everybody. This is the first time that I'm doing a video using the ring light and the camera and all that. Usually I do a video of my animals, but let's just jump right into it. Hello. Guess this is gonna take some getting used to. I bought these little dome trays to plant in from Amazon. There's like 4 of them. They got the dome and then the light, and as you can see, USB, so you got your own little light for your seats. And with these come these little labels here. I've already pre-labeled. I'm going to do tomatoes, Rama's large cherry red, and then tomato jubilee. And I've marked the date that I'm going to plant. And also, this is the first time using these little heating pads that you set your seedlings on so it'll germinate faster. So all this stuff that I'm using, I'm gonna link it in the description, so if you're interested you can buy. And yes, I would get like a cut of that money that you spend on this, but if you want to, you can. If you don't, that's cool too. I think these are pretty cool because right here it shows the germination chart for lettuce, cabbage, endives, broccoli. They got bukus of them, and they even have the temperature that it should go on, and the plug here, and there's got to be another piece to this with the temperature thing, and I don't see it, so I don't know. I'll probably film that later or just add it in the description when I find it. So I got, they come with like the black tray. Let me show you here. I got the little tray here. Oh, stop it. And good Lord, everything is so difficult to come out. Okay. I got little holes in the bottom, so whenever it drains into this little drain tray. Put your dirt in. I got some potting soil in here, and then once you do that, put your little dome on. And I don't know if you can see it or not, because again, I'm new to this camera thing. You can twist this here around to control the moisture that's in it, because you don't want to have too much moisture on your plants because it can cause them to mildew and rot, and you don't want that. You want your little babies to grow up all lovely and beautiful. And then once you're done with that, then I'm gonna have them setting on the little heat tray, the heating pad, and I got 2 of these. It came with 2. And also I have some grow lights here because I got some other containers that I'm gonna use. Like once these grow, I'm gonna put them in larger containers. I got these from Walmart and these from Walmart, and they will be over here in the big boy section, still with the grow light, and the grow lights have timers on them. Oh, right in my eyeball. Okay, that wasn't thought out. Right here is a timer. I don't know what that, oh, that's not, oh. Okay, so there's that. I got 2 of these. Got these from Amazon. I think, yeah, these came together. 2 with 4 lights. I was like, I can get 2 lights with actually 4 lights. You dig? So it's going to be interesting. I can monitor the height of the light also, because you don't just want them right on it and you don't want it too far away from it. And I'm going to be going out of town this weekend, so this is perfect. I can set the timer for the lights to get the amount of time that they need with lighting, and it turns off, and then we'll be good to go. This is just a few of the seeds that I got. I have here, I got this from Amazon as well. As you can tell, I'm an Amazon girl. I don't know what Amazon women sound like, but that was a little rendition. There was so many. It was like 35 different seeds. It's kind of what it's the what is it? The seed vault kit is what it is. Over 16,000 heirloom seeds. Oh, there's one still hiding in there. Aw, chamomile. I don't think that came with that. I think I got that from the DG or something. No, I got that from Walmart. Okay, so anyway, I just wanted to show what I got, and I'm gonna get to planting and set everything up. And I'll talk to you guys later with an update. Thank you. Bye.